Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. How are you? How are you, my friends? How are you? I'm so happy to be with you again. And welcome to English for Fun. I hope you're well, and before we start, let's see what we're going to learn today. And our lucky wheel says... Summer holidays. So today we're going to learn summer holidays.
Hi there, my name is Teacher Alice and welcome to English for Fun. Can you hear that? What is this noise? This is the sound of the sea. What does it mean? It means that we're going to the beach. Here we are on the beach. Beach, beach, beach. The beach is near the sea. Sea, sea. What do we need to go to the beach? We need swimsuit, 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 flip-flops, flip-flops, flip-flops. What is there on the sky? It's sun, sun, sun. If there is a sun, we need sunglasses, sunglasses, sunglasses. And also we need sun cream, sun cream, sun cream. And we need a cap, cap, cap. So we need sunglasses, sun cream, and a cap to protect ourselves. On the beach there is a lot of sand, sand, sand. If there is a lot of sand, we can make a sandcastle, sandcastle, sandcastle. What do we need to make a sandcastle? We need a bucket, 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 and a spade, spade, spade. To make a sandcastle, we need a bucket and a spade. Look at our sandcastle. Do you like our sandcastle? Let's repeat all words all together. Sun, sun, sunglasses, sunglasses, sun cream, sun cream, cap, cap, swimsuit, swimsuit, flip-flops, flip-flops, sand, sand, sandcastle, sandcastle, bucket, bucket, spade, spade, sea, sea, beach, beach. Now let's play a game. Can you find objects? Can you find sun? Here it is. Excellent. Can you find sun cream? Sun cream. Good job. Can you find swimsuit? Swimsuit. Here it is. Well done. Can you find flip-flops? Flip-flops. Excellent. Let's move on. Can you find bucket? Bucket. Good job. Can you find cap? Cap. Can you find spade? Spade. Good job. Can you find sunglasses? Sunglasses. Can you find sea? Sea. Can you find sandcastle? Sandcastle. Well done, good job, congratulations, well done you. I hope you will enjoy the video. If you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's English for Fun, Teacher Alice, and see you next time. Bye bye for now.